Good morning, Dr. Lee Chuan. My name is Yi Jianming from Section 3, and today I'm going to talk about the manufacturing process individual assignment, and my topic is electrical discharge machining. First of all, I would like to talk about what is electrical discharge machining. Electrical discharge machining is a non-traditional precision machining techniques that remove materials from a workpiece using heat energy rather than mechanical force. Spark machining refers to the use of electrical spark at temperature ranging from 8,000 degrees Celsius to 12,000 degrees Celsius. However, EDM manufacturing only works for electrically conductive materials like hardened steel, titanium, and aluminum. Next, I would like to talk about the process of EDM. Before we start, we must remember that EDM manufacturing only works for electrically conductive materials. First of all, materials is removed from a workpiece using EDM occurs through a series of recurring rapid current discharge between electrodes. Then, a voltage is sent through the dielectric fluid. The next step is electrodes serve to change shift to fit the exact purpose. This electrode is the workpiece electrode or the anode. The other electrode is the two electrode. The next step is the apply of potential difference across the workpiece and the electrode impulse form and electrode move closer to the workpiece. Lastly, the electrical discharge causes extreme heating of the material to melt away of some parts of the material. A steady flow of the dielectric fluid helps to remove excess materials. There are many types of EDM, and I would like to talk about the wire EDM. Wire EDM, also known as wire erosion, and is often used for making extrusion dies. It slices using an identical mechanism as die sinking. However, the die is replaced by a very tiny electrically charged wire, which serves as the electrode. This machining process is like a cheese cutter, create a two-dimensional cuts in a three-dimensional items. This process will produce incredibly precise cuts, and sometimes it is necessary to start a cut from the center of a part rather than the part from the edge. Next, I would like to talk about the hole drilling idiom. Hole drilling idiom, also known as small hole drilling idiom, and is used to machine holes. In comparison to typical hole drilling procedures, this approach can machine exceedingly small and deep holes with high accuracy and no need for deburring. This process follows the same basic principles as die sinking idiom. However, the cut is created using a pulsing cylindrical electrodes that feed the electric liquid into the cutting area as it moves further into the workpiece. Next, I would like to talk about the advantage of EDMs. EDM allows us to have a greater design freedom, as it allows for complex shapes and depths to be cut. Besides that, EDM have a high quality surface finish. Conventional material removal process such as CNC milling leave machining marks on the workpiece, but EDM has zero directionality to the surface finish. This includes undercuts and perfectly square internal corners, making it uniformly smooth surface possible without additional treatments. However, quick EDM processing can leave behind a slight bit plaster-like texture. On the other side, there are some disadvantages of EDM. For example, there is not all material can be machined. Only the electrical conductivity material can be machined. For example, iron, gold, aluminum, silver, and copper. Besides that, the disadvantages of EDM is low material removal rate. The material removal rate is low when compared to conventional machining methods, as the manufacturing process is very power intensive. The increase in manufacturing time impacts the overall cost. As a result, of this, EDM is not an effective method to use for large-scale projects. In a conclusion, die-sync EDM, also known as RAM EDM, is the best electro-discharge machining for creating parts with complex cavities compared to wire EDM and hole-drilling EDM. Therefore, EDM always used in industry where material hardness and intricacy are major concerns. That's all from me. Thank you.